Hello, guys. My name is Paulina, and today we're going to talk about Universal Analytics reporting. It's going to be our last video in this beginner's course about Universal Analytics. As soon as we already created account, we implemented this account, we discussed goals, marketing. It's time to discuss reporting. Yeah, so data is coming from the website, and we need to know what kind of reports will answer to our objectives, to our questions, and so on. So, first of all, analytics provides us a set of default reports that will give us a picture of what's going on the website. You can also customize reports and report navigation to fit your business goals, but let's talk today about predefined reports that you can see in analytics account. So you can see on the left side that we have real-time audiences, acquisition, behavior, and conversions tabs, and each of them answer to different questions. So first of all, we are located right now in the real-time tab. The real-time report lets you monitor activity on your website or app as it happens. So immediately right now on your website. So for example, you can see right now I'm located in the overview tab, and we can see that in last 5 minutes it was only one active user on the website. It was me. So you can see here the number of users during the last 30 minutes, and you can see that it's zero right now. So I need to refresh the page on my website, and I will come back to analytics, and it should appear right now. I hope so. Let's refresh. Yeah, okay. So we can see this one active user on the website. It reappears. But this is what I was saying. During the last 30 minutes. Okay. You can see users by source, medium, campaign. You can see users, returning users or new users by audiences, who they are. You can even see what events they are doing at this right moment, and what conversions they fired during this last 30 minutes. So in the real time, you're gonna see what's currently happening on your website, and then it's gonna be uploaded up to 24 hours in the different other reports. So for example, conversions from the real-time report will be uploaded to their conversions tab, and it's going to be aggregated with their other data that was collected before. Okay, so it was about real-time tab. If we're going to talk about audience tab, this tab provides you insights into characteristics of your users. You can see that you also have here the overview tab, but also you can see the active users. You can see, for example, demographics, interests, geo, behavior, technology, mobile. So you can see insights from different perspectives about your users. So for example, if we are talking about technology, it means that you can see what kind of browsers they're using, what kind of networks they're using. If we are talking about mobile perspective, we can see what kind of devices they are using when they are entering your website. So for example, it can be tablet, it can be a laptop, it can be mobile phone, and so on. So different kind of devices. The same as with the demographics, you can see here the age and the gender of your users. So it depends on your objectives in your business, but you can analyze it inside these kind of reports about characteristics of your users. If we move on, and we're gonna see the acquisition reports. It's actually my favorite, because at this in this tab you can see how users arrived at your website. Yeah, so for example, they can arrive through the organic search, so they can look for your website and just to see this the website among others, or they can arrive at your website after paid search. So for example, by clicking the ad on the website, by clicking on the ad in the search or on the other website, and so on. So you can see here the old traffic. You can divide the data that came from the website by source medium, by channels, by the referrals. You can see a separate report about Google Ads, so the paid search. You can see what campaigns are driving most conversions rate, or most activity, let's say. So you can see it here separately from the old traffic. um, and you can see here separately search console, separately social, and campaigns as well. Yeah, so you can see what kind of keywords drives most activity to your website. You can analyze it and then take this information into consideration, and then use it for the future settings. When you're gonna pay for ads, you're gonna know that, okay, these keywords will drive me activity on the website. It's gonna bring me more conversions, more new people, and so on. So this kind of acquisition reports, I think it's really crucial for the business objectives. So you can really use it. If you're gonna use it wise, it's gonna really help you to optimize mm, the situation in your business perspective, let's say. As well, we have another two tabs. It's behavior and conversion. So in the behavior reports, you can discover how users interact with your website, what pages they're visiting, what pages they are clicking, what kind of journey they are doing during the time that they spent on your website. So for example, you can see how long the typical session lasts. You can see other metrics. So for if we're going to open, you can see here site speed, site search, behavior flow. So this journey, what I already mentioned. You can see what kind of events they can fire during the session, and so on. As well, after behavior, you're gonna see the conversion reports. It's another crucial information for you, because you are interested not only at driving activity to your website, but you want these people be engaged with your content and fire conversion. So for example, if it's e-commerce website and you want to sell some products, you would like them to make purchases. Yeah, so you're gonna see them in real time if it's firing right now, or you're gonna see that in conversion step after 24 hours, when it's gonna be uploaded to the real report. So here in the conversions report, you're gonna have goals, e-commerce, and multi-channel funnels. So in the goals, you're gonna have information about the conversion that has fired on your website. If we're talking about e-commerce, we are talking about specifically purchases or the way they purchase it. So for example, clicking add to cart, then go into the checkout page, and they're making purchase at the end, or maybe sometimes making a giving the purchase away back to their store. So here it depends on the settings from your technical perspective of the website, and it's going to be collected inside these reports. If we are talking about multi-channel funnels, we are talking about different reports that you can put it together. You can see what kind of channels they used to make this purchase. So for example, they visited your website through the organic search, and then they clicked the paid search, and bounced back to your website and decided to consider it the purchase. So you can see what kind of steps they did to achieve your main goal. For example, it can be purchase. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to say. It depends on really your perspectives, really your objectives of your business, what kind of reports would be the most crucial for you. I was saying only about general information, what kind of reports exist in this account, in Universal Analytics account. I hope it was clear. It gave you a picture of what's going on inside analytics. If you want to customize, you would need to go to the customization tab and then add some dimensions, custom dimensions, or primary, secondary dimension to see, to analyze, to compare. Depends what you want to see and what you want to get from this information. That's pretty much it. If you're gonna have any questions, please ask her in the reviews, and I'm gonna answer to them. And I'll see you in the next video. uh, Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a good one. I'll see you there. Bye.